Okay, it's time to see what's in the box. Lovely, my new coffee machine. Let's take a closer look, get rid of this junk. Okay, this is the outside of the box on all its sides. There's the front, side, back, and the other side. Let's take a look at what's inside. That lovely trusty knife out again. If you want to see a review on that, I'll put a link down in the description. Got the usual gump, the leaflets and a load of old rubbish, and get rid of that. And a nice fancy red cable. And here we are, we've got the new coffee machine in red and grey. Had one before, but it died after about 5 years of service, so now we've replaced it. And just unwrapping the tray, the drip tray, that's what you can see here. Just slots on nice and easy, as you'll see in a minute. Inside the capsule cover is a little filter which you use one full stint of hot, one full stint of cold just before you use it, and then the filter goes in the bin. And you clip it on, there we are, the drip tray, and ready to go.